Hi guys, welcome back to CALLY's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how I prepared my shrimp fried rice. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend to come over and subscribe to my channel. So here I have some chopped onions, scallion, sweet pepper and Scotch bonnet peppers. I also have cooked rice 2 days old, my seasoned shrimp. I also have my mixed vegetable corn, string bean and carrot, garlic. I'm going to use some soya sauce as well. My eggs, and I season my egg with black pepper and salt, and I'm going to use my non-stick cooking spray. So I'm just going to go ahead now and just add my shrimp to the pot. I just want my shrimp to get a little bit of color, so I'm just adding everything. So now I'm just gonna scramble my egg, and I use 2 eggs. So now that I've finished scrambled my egg, I'm just gonna add my garlic to the pot. And guys, I didn't use any oil. All I'm using is just the non-stick cooking spray. And I'm gonna add the onions now. And I'm just combining the garlic and the onion together. So now I'm just gonna add my Scotch bonnet pepper and my sweet peppers. Now I'm gonna add my scallion and combine everything together. So now I'm just gonna go ahead now and add my mixed vegetables. Then I'm just gonna combine everything together. And I'm doing all of this on low heat. And I'm just gonna leave it to sit for about a minute. So now that I'm finished with my vegetables, I'm just gonna go ahead and add a piece of margarine to the pot, and I want the margarine to melt before adding the rice. So now that the margarine melt, I'm just gonna go ahead and add the rice, and this is about 1.5 cup of rice, cooked rice. So now I'm just gonna add about a teaspoon of soya sauce, and I'm just gonna combine both the soya sauce and the rice together because I want the rice to get that color. And I don't want my rice to be too dark. If you want it to be darker, you can add some more soya sauce to it. So now I'm just gonna add the mixed vegetables. And I'm just gonna combine the rice and the mixed vegetables together. Look at that color. The color coming together already. So now I'm just gonna add my scrambled egg. And I'm just gonna combine the egg, the rice, and the mixed vegetables together. Guys, I also add a little chicken season off camera. So I'm just adding the shrimp, and I'm just going to combine that together. Look at that. Coming together quite fine. So I'm just going to leave it for a minute, and I'm just showing you a closer look. Look at that, guys. Look at all that color. Look at my shrimp. And there you have it, guys, my shrimp fried rice. Easy 1, 2, 3 recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.